You gonna put the whole bag in your mouth?
No, just put a little bit. That's a little bit to time. See, I take it.
That don't be looking like a little bit to me.
Yeah. When you mash it down,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, so when you mash it down, it just will be a little bit in your mouth.
Yeah. And then sweet, the him must be that greenback.
Mm-hmm. But what I'm trying to understand, what is you getting from it? If you're not swallowing the juice, what are you getting from? Are you taste the juice? Like, what are you getting from that?
It tastes good.
I guess.
Right, yeah. Don't you want some?
No. I don't want none. It's too spicy for me. It's very spicy, so no, I don't want none. I done tried it. Trying to see what you like about it. It is too spicy, honey. I don't want that spicy stuff. Yeah, it may taste good to you. And other people that chew it, or I can't say you chew it because you just hold it in your mouth. It say chewing tobacco, so that means you're supposed to chew it, right?
If you want them.
If I want them. But otherwise, you just hold it in your mouth. Gotcha.
That's what it was.
I don't know who that was. It ain't nobody.
You didn't ask.